Start by hard-boiling the eggs for 15 minutes, rinsing in cold water and peeling them. Cut each egg lengthwise and keep them aside. Collect and keep ready all the dry and wet spices. Keep the peas, tomatoes, and chopped onions ready. Heat the olive oil in a large pan. Add the bay leaves, cinnamon stick, crushed cardamom pods, and the cloves to the hot oil. Toast these spices until the cardamom and cloves are nice and puffy, and the bay leaves and cinnamon sticks have turned a nice golden brown. Now let's roast all the dry powder spices: coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, chili powder, and turmeric. Don't let the spices burn. Add the onions and cover them in the spice mixture. Sauté the onions, add a little water, and cook them until they're almost transparent. You're ready now to add in the ginger and garlic pastes. Mix them well. Toss in the chopped canned tomatoes, mix it up well, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes so that the spices blend into the tomatoes. Now you can add the peas, some water, and allow it to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until the peas are tender. You can also add in half the salt right now. The rest you can add as per your taste. Once the peas are cooked to your satisfaction, you can start putting the eggs into the masala. Put them face up, spoon some sauce over each egg, and allow the whole thing to cook for another 10 minutes. This will let the sauce thicken. You will want to reheat this dish just before serving. Then, take your presentation tray, lay the eggs out on them, sprinkle the sauce all around, and garnish with fresh cilantro. Incredible, flavorful dish is a sure hit with your guests and is great with hot rice.